Hey guys, it's Clara here and another travel series. We are right now in Freiburg in Germany and we are going to walk through the city. I want to show you all the beautiful places you can visit here. We just had an amazing breakfast and I will also show you that. I heard that the people who live here are the most happiest people in Germany. Maybe it is because here is the most Maybe it is because here the weather is beautiful, it's almost always sunny. Who knows? So, let's go! This is the last day of our weekend trip where we also visited Strasbourg in France and Europa Park in Rust in Germany. I will also link the videos below if you are interested. Don't forget to check this out. Right now you are looking at Herz Jesu Church, which is a Catholic church built at the end of the 19th century. We are heading to our first spot and this is breakfast spot. It's called Hermann Café. We were already starving. It was I think 10:30 a.m. and this place, I just loved it. I will leave you the link in the description. So if you are in Freiburg, this is definitely I think the top one place. The food was delicious, the view was amazing, weather was also great, so it was just perfect breakfast. They have so much to choose from: eggs, toasts, pancakes, waffles, so smoothies, I think some smoothie bowls. This is the Freiburg Theater and right next to it, this modern building, is the University Library. As you will walk to the city center, you will definitely see Martin's Gate. It is reconstructed gate tower originally built for defense in the early 13th century. This is the University Catholic Church. Right now we are coming to the Schwebentour, also called Obertor in the Middle Ages. It is the more recent of the two remaining city gates of the medieval defense wall of Freiburg. If you are looking for a little hikes and for viewpoints where you can see the beautiful Freiburg all around, then I would recommend to go to Castel Mountain. The Schlossberg, or the Castel Mountain in English, is such a Freiburg attraction because it offers so much. The founding story of the city walks under a canopy of green forest or sunsets over the city rooftops. There is also a beer garden nearby which I can link below. It's called Kastaniengarten and there was the view very nice. The atmosphere was so good just to drink a beer and eat something. We climbed up to the top of the castle tower to take a 360-degree panorama. And this was definitely challenging because I am also getting scared of heights and this tower was moving a little bit. I just made it quick up and quick down, but it's definitely worth it. Look at it, guys. It is 35 meters high and it definitely feels like it. The history says that there was a castle built nearly 1000 years ago, giving the Schlossberg its name. In German, Schloss means castle and Berg means mountain. The castle was then successively taken over by the Counts of Freiburg, the Habsburgs and then the French occupiers, who in the 17th century incorporated the medieval castle into the city's fortifications. Today we have just some evidence of the ruins and of the walls from Baroque style, for example. And the next we are getting to the Freiburg Cathedral, which was started to be built in around 1200 in the Romanesque style, but the construction continued in 1230 in Gothic style. The cathedral was partly built on the foundations of an original church that had been there from the beginning of Freiburg in 1120. It's dinner time, baby! We got some pizza, some pasta. The food, yeah, it wasn't that bad, but I think it's nothing to be recommended. We also got some dessert after that, some ice cream. I will link that place below. So the ice cream was nice and refreshing. And we took the walk back again over the Vively Bridge to the car. And also guys, I will link below the videos from our trip from Strasbourg in France and from Europa Park. Don't forget to check this up. So guys, I would like to thank you for watching. It was a beautiful day in Freiburg, so if you are in the area, don't forget to visit. I think it's very worth it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.